Hi guys, welcome back to All About AI. Have you ever tried creating a character with AI only to find you can't get that same look again in different scenes? It's a common frustration, but what if you could create characters that stay consistent across multiple images? Think about the possibilities. Maybe you want to build a brand mascot people recognize, or perhaps you're crafting a visual story or comic book and need your protagonist to look the same panel after panel. And then there's the massive trend of AI influencers, creating digital personalities for social media channels that can actually generate income and build a following. To do that effectively, consistency is absolutely key. Your audience needs to recognize the character instantly, every single time. Well, you're in the right place. In this Leonardo AI tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create consistent characters using Leonardo AI. We'll focus on a powerful yet straightforward method using something called fixed seeds. No coding, no extra software needed. All right. First things first, you'll need a Leonardo AI account. They have free plans to get you started with daily tokens, which is great for trying things out. I'm not using the premium version today, which gives some extra features, such as the all-new video generation tool, which needs a minimum of 250 credits. We'll be working mainly in the image generation tool within Leonardo AI. If you're totally new to the platform, you might want to check out their help docs or a beginner's guide first, but we'll cover the essentials you need for consistent characters right here. Okay, let's create our base character. The foundation is a descriptive prompt. Be specific about the unchanging features. Think hair color, eye color, general style, maybe a key piece of clothing or an accessory. For this tutorial, let's imagine we're creating a female cyberpunk hacker with short pink hair, bright blue eyes, wearing a futuristic visor. Once you have your prompt, you'll adjust your settings in Leonardo AI. Choose how many images you want to generate at once. Select your preferred model. I often use Leonardo Kino XL for realism, and maybe pick a style like cinematic or photography. Dimensions matter too. Something like 512 by 768 pixels works well for portraits. Now, hit generate. Leonardo will give you a few variations based on your prompt. Look through them and pick the one that best matches your vision for the character. Here comes the crucial part for consistency. The seed. Every AI generation has a unique seed number. It's like the generation's fingerprint. By reusing this specific seed, we tell Leonardo AI, hey, stick close to this result for the next image. Find the image you like and look for an option to copy seed. It's usually in a menu associated with that specific image. Once copied, go into the advanced settings in the Leonardo AI sidebar. You'll see an option called Use Fixed Seed. Turn that on and paste the seed number you just copied into the field provided. Now, the magic happens. Your seed is locked in. Go back to your prompt. Keep the core description of your character, the pink hair, blue eyes, visor, but change the context. Let's put our hacker typing frantically on a holographic keyboard in a neon-lit alley. Now, generate again with the fixed seed active. And there you go. You should see images where the character looks very similar, maintaining those core features we defined, but now she's in the new setting, performing the new action. The consistency comes from reusing that fixed seed. Let's try one more. Keep the seed locked, keep the character description, but change the prompt to sipping noodles at a rainy street food stall. Generate again. You'll see the character remains recognizable across different scenarios. It might not be pixel perfect identical every time. AI has inherent randomness, but the consistency is massively improved compared to just using the same text prompt repeatedly without a fixed seed. This is how you build a recognizable Leonardo AI consistent character. So, what can you do with these consistent character images? Well, beyond static posts, you can use them for storyboarding, create comic panels, or even bring them to life using animation tools. Leonardo AI itself has an image to motion feature that lets you add subtle animation to your generated short clips. That consistent look is the vital first step. Now, there is a more advanced technique in Leonardo AI involving training your own custom model with multiple images of your subject. This offers even more precise control, but is a more complex process. If that's something you're interested in learning about, Definitely let me know in the comments below, and I might make a future tutorial on it. Just to quickly recap some tips for getting the best results. 1. Start with a detailed base prompt for your character's core features. 2. Don't be afraid to generate a few base characters and try different seeds if the first one isn't quite right. 3. When using the fixed seed, only change the parts of the prompt related to the action, setting, or mood. Keep the character description intact. 4. Experiment with negative prompts to exclude elements you don't want. So that's the fixed seed method for creating consistent characters in Leonardo AI. It's a game changer for anyone looking to create recognizable AI personas, characters for stories, brand mascots, or even dive into the world of AI influencers. I hope this Leonardo AI tutorial was valuable for you. If it helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe to All About AI for more guides and insights into the amazing world of artificial intelligence. Let me know in the comments what kind of characters you're planning to create. Thanks for watching, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.